Hey, assalamu alaikum everybody, so it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijabi from TNT, and welcome back to my channel. We're here again for some more fun in the kitchen. This time we're going to be experimenting with some sweet potatoes. We're going to be baking some sweet potato fries today. So I'm not a fan of sweet potatoes. Husband is a big fan of sweet potatoes. He requested some baked sweet potato fries today. So we're going to be using these two sweet potatoes. I'm going to be doing step by step. It is a sort of time consuming process, but it will be definitely worth it. And before we go further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you will get all my videos. They'll keep updated with all my videos. And also, don't forget to hit the notification button as well so you get notified every single time I post a video. So let's get into the video. So I've got my two sweet potatoes to start things off, and I just washed them, and I'm going to peel each one, and then we're going to slice them up. So now that we have our sweet potatoes all peeled, I am going to be slicing them up. I'm going to be cutting them into equal pieces, equal size pieces. After some battling with the chopper, knife, small knife, big knife, we finally got through, and we have our sweet potato cut into, well, I tried my best to get them as even as possible, but you should, just to make sure there's even cooking throughout. If you know, when you're going through like these, you won't bother to use these small pieces, but the majority of them seem to be fine. What we're going to do now is soak it in some water. Alright, so we have our sweet potatoes in water here, and the reason we're putting it in water, we're going to soak this for about 45 minutes. The reason for that is to draw out any excess starch from the sweet potatoes, so you'll get a more even cooking and a crispy outside and yet a tender inside. So it basically helps it to cook better and prevent it from, you know, burning. So we're going to let this sit for just about 45 minutes, and then we'll go on to the next step of putting some cornstarch on it, and then we're going to put it to bake. Alright guys, so it's been 45 minutes. Our sweet potatoes been soaking. What we're going to be doing now is just taking all the water out of it, and we're going to dry it. We're going to let it properly dry before we get to the next step. So I have a tray with some paper towels here, and I'm just going to spread them out. Another paper towel, I'm just going to pat them. I'm going to leave them on the paper towel on the tray to just dry out a little more, and then we're going to get to the next step. Alright, so now that we have all our sweet potato all nicely dried out, I'm going to be adding them to, we have a Ziploc bag, you know, but I couldn't find any large ones, and I'm just going to be adding all of them to the bag, and then I'm adding the cornstarch to it as well. So through this, I'm adding cornstarch. Shaking this up. Don't let any fall out. Then I'm going to empty the sweet potato slices into a strainer, because I don't want any excess cornstarch on it. So I'm just gonna Make sure that there's nothing left in it, and I'm going to let this properly absorb in the sweet potatoes before we add our olive oil and other seasonings to it. And then I'm adding it, going to spread them out evenly on my tray. Alright guys, so we have our sweet potato fries that I already laid out on my baking tray. If you're wondering, cornstarch, if you know why we use cornstarch, let me know, but I'll just tell you right now. The cornstarch actually helps to give the extra crispiness on the sweet potato fries. You can use potato starch, but cornstarch is something that most of us might have in our pantry, and it's easily available. You can purchase it anywhere, and it gives that extra crispiness that you would like in your sweet potato fries. So we're going to put this in our oven. I have the oven heating up to about 405 degrees. We're going to put this in for a total baking time of 25 minutes. If it needs to be adjusted, we'll check it as it goes along. But halfway through, you're going to just turn it once. I'm going to turn it once. You don't need to turn it more than that. And we'll see how it goes. So let's put this in the oven and we will check back in about 25 minutes. Alright guys, so 25 minutes after baking, and we've got these yummy looking sweet potato fries. I kind of did a terrible job at cutting them up evenly, but they cooked well, cooked through properly, and they are nice and firm, not oily, ready to be enjoyed. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. We did the sweet potato fries. Didn't take that long to do. The only thing was the only part that would have taken some time was the soaking, but it was necessary so that we could have gotten these nice crispy sweet potato fries. So thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family, and also hit that subscribe button and the notification button as well, so you get notified every time I post a new video. So I'm going to have this with some mahi-mahi, some vegetables. You can check out the mahi-mahi video. I will post it in the link down below, and look out for more videos to come.